Do you know how to code? Yes? Good for you, because me, I am not sure. That's why in this video, we're gonna find out if I know how to code. Hello everyone, je m'appelle Bernard, and in this video, we're gonna be doing something different because to be honest with you, I just don't have a tutorial this week. I've been busy, if you don't notice that. But yeah, in this video, we're just going to find out if I know how to code. But before we honestly proceed, I just want to announce that the course that I talked about in the last video is finally done. It's finished. So by the time you're watching this video, it should be up now. It should be published on weeklyhow.com, and you can just check that out. I'll put the link in the video description below. But yeah, in the previous video, I didn't really talk about what it is about. But yeah, the course that I've been working on is about Shopify App Development using Vanilla PHP. That means we're not going to rely on libraries or frameworks. We still relied on libraries like Shopify App Bridge, but yeah, we're going to use Vanilla PHP in that course. Now, why should you take that course? Well, to be honest with you, personally, I believe that you will learn a lot from that course. I learned a lot from that course. Like, I learned a lot about JWT. I learned about how to get session tokens, what is the payload, what is inside of those session tokens. I also learned about GraphQL, graphical. I already know that, to be honest. But yeah, you will learn a lot from that course. So if you're interested, check the link in the description below. And if you are a Udemy student, if you prefer Udemy, it's probably gonna take a few more days because they are going to review that course. So yeah, sorry about that, but that's just how it is. If you are excited though, you can just check weeklyhow.com. I'll put the link in the video description below. So yeah, without further ado, today we're going to test if I know how to code. So let's begin. So I found this website. It's basically a quiz for PHP programmers. So yeah, this is what we're going to use in this video. So according to this page, there are 30 questions and I only have 30 minutes. I don't think I need 30 minutes. I can finish this in like 10 minutes or less. So yeah, speed run, am I right? So yeah, without further ado, let's start this test. Click start. All right, so first item, which of the following is used to declare constant? Constant, that's fine. Constant, that's not fine. Define, it's not fine. I haven't used define, honestly. Pragma, that's definitely not fine. I think it's define. I've seen someone use define to create a constant. Like when I was working with WordPress, you will always find that define function to create the constant. You can also use constant, but that's for JavaScript, I believe. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, define. Next, what gets printed? The variable is initialized with a string value false, and we're checking if the variable is initialized or if it's set. Then if it is, then echo true. Since it is, then I believe it's going to be true. Next, which of the following is the way to create comments in PHP? This one is fine. This one is fine. This one, I'm not sure. All of the above. I think you can also comment using the number sign symbol. I think I'll use all of the above because you can use this. Yeah, all of the above. What does PHP stands for? PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, obviously. What will be the value of the var? 0. There is no code attached to this question. What is the value of this? What is the value? I don't know. So by default, if you initialize a variable, it's going to be 0 or empty. I actually have no idea. You know, I'll just select 0. How do we access the value of D later? A, and then D is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should be 3. 0. But if you use this, it could select this one, which is B. There is no B, so the value would be B. 1C. This is wrong. This should not work, honestly. The question doesn't make any sense. The answers doesn't make any sense. There should be like an E over here that says, oh, you can only access that with D. Or 4, honestly. So 0, 1, 2, 3 should be like 4. Yeah, I don't think there's a right answer in... The answer is not in here, so I'll just select D, whatever. Next. Which of the following is not a valid PHP comparison operator? This one is good, this one is good, this one is not good, this one is... Yeah, this one is good. This one is not good. Next, what gets printed? Class my exception, there is a class, and then you use try catch, try throw new exception, my exception, oops. So you basically use this class. If there's an error, it should catch an error. There's another catch, so it should only use this one because you can't really go in here if you already have a catch in here. At least that's what I know. So it's called caught exception. Caught exception. Next, class A, class B, class C extends A, B. I don't think this is possible. Class C cannot extend both A and B. Qualifiers public or private are missing in class definitions. The code is perfectly fine. I believe you can create an empty class. Extending though, I am not sure. I think you can only extend... You know what? I think the answer is C. Class C cannot extend both A and B. I actually have no idea. So let's just proceed. Which of the following is not a magic predefined constant? Line is good. File is good. Date, I'm not sure. Class is good. I think it's date. What gets printed? Result 1 is an integer. Integer. This is not an integer. This is hex. Echo result 1 plus, this is going to be 11. So 11, 11, 22. This one, I am not sure the integer version of this hex. So it's probably 15. 15. 1, 1, 0. I'll just select. This 0 is throwing me off. I'll choose D. I think it's 15. I'm not really good with the hex, to be honest. Is that hex, honestly? I think it is. What is this str pause string position function is used for? Find the last character? Definitely not. Both B and C? This answer doesn't make any sense. You are B. You are B. And you are pointing to C. You're already false. Search for character within a string. This one is good. Locate the position of strings. No. It's C. Alright. Which of the following differences are valid between PHP 4 and PHP 5? MySQL support is definitely not. A and C. Oh, I don't know. I started using PHP 5. So I'm not really familiar with PHP 4. Yeah, I guess I'll just support for inheritance. Nah. Is it? I'm not familiar with PHP 4. I'm sorry about that. Can we use include 2 times? Yes, you can. This is not include once. This says include. Next, what is the difference between get post method? Get displays the form values entered in URL of the address bar. Yeah. Whereas post does not. That's true. There is no difference. That's definitely not true. Post displays for, yeah, it's A. Post definitely not displays the value. Blank function is PHP. In PHP returns a list of response headers. It's headers list. What is array keys used for? It is to display the keys or return all keys. Next, how do I create PHP? This is so easy. Should be this one, input, because you can't. Yeah, you can. Yeah, this one. What is the difference between echo and print? Echo can take multiple parameters, whereas print cannot. This is true. Print can take, this is not true. Print is a function, whereas echo is also a function. Because if you type echo and then parentheses, it's also a function. So this one, C. What is the default size of a file set in upload? Oh my god. This, I believe it's 256 megabytes. So it could be 2.5 or 2. I'll just select C. 256 megabytes. 2.5. This one is throwing me off. I'll just select C. YOLO. What is Joomla in PHP? It's a CMS. Standard library enriched with function. Framework for designing dynamic pages. Framework. It's CMS. What is the default execution time set? 30 seconds. Yeah. Is str, and string aliases? Yeah, they are both used to what is the right word for that? It's like the haystack. Yeah, that's, you need to find the first occurrence, and then you're basically getting rid of the string behind it, or the characters behind it. So yeah, they're both the same. Yeah, technically they're both the same. Can I generate? No, you cannot. Sorry. Can I generate DLL files from PHP scripts like I can in Perl? No. Or can you? If you can make text files, you can also... Nah, I don't think so. Nah, I don't think so. In which variable is the user's PHP... in which variable is the user's IP is stored? In the remote address. Remote address. Can I run several versions? Yeah? You can? Can you? I think you can. Yeah. Which function is used to strip? Strip. What is the PHP header doc used for? It is used to allow you to create multiple line string without using quotes. Yeah. Allows creating a single line. Allows creating multiple lines. Yeah, it's without. Next. Can echo in print? Yes, you can. Last one. What is the purpose of session? It is used to store variables in the current session. See, it took me just 10 minutes, 11, almost. Submit. Yes. I got 25. Okay, let's review everything. Which of the following used? Yeah, I was right. Define. What gets printed? True. Yeah, it's obvious. Which of the following is the way to create comments? All of the above. I don't really use number signs to create comments. Do you use that? What does PHP stands for? Yep, PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. What will be the value? Are you kidding me? 0.5? How is that even possible? Yeah, this one doesn't make any sense, to be honest. How do we access the value of D later? The E was not there. Do you guys see either? There was no E. There should be an E with like 4. You suck. This is not good. Which of the following is not a valid PHP comparison? Yeah, I was right. There's an E? I have not seen the E. Luckily, I saw this. Alright, so... yeah, this is not good. We're going to... No, never mind. What gets printed? Yeah, I was right. Caught exception. Because you can't really go in here anymore. Which statement about the code below is correct? Class C cannot extend. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Which of the following is not a magic predefined constant? Yep, the date. What gets printed? Because there's like a function for that already. So you don't need to create a constant for that. What gets printed? 30. I was right. I didn't expect that. Oh, there's an E again. What is the str post? Yeah. Search for the character within string. Which of the following difference? both A and C built in. Yeah, I didn't know that. I haven't used page before. Can we? Yes, you can, because it's not include once, it's include. It's the same with the require, honestly. You can use it twice or as many as possible. What is the difference between get? So yeah, get will be, the value will be displayed in address bar, whereas post not. Blank, yeah, returns list, headers list. What is an array keys used for? Returns all keys of an array. Yep. How do I create PHP? Yeah, in HTML. Include what is the difference between echo and print? Echo can take multiple parameters, whereas print cannot. Yeah. What is the default size? 2 MB. Are you serious? What is the default size? Oh, 2 MB. I thought it was 256. No, what I mean by 256 is 2.56, not 256 like as a whole. So I was wrong. Okay, that's fine. 2 MB. Gonna keep that in mind. What is Joomla? It's a CMS. I was right. What is the default execution time? 30 seconds. Yeah. STR. Yeah, they're both the same. You're just used to get the first occurrence. Can I generate? Yeah, I haven't really tried creating DLL files, so I don't know. And which variables the users? Yeah, in a remote address. Can I run several PHP? Can you really? Can you? I didn't know, honestly. Yeah, because whenever I say, for example, I create a website, there's like in the control panel, there's this like options, like which version of PHP are you going to use? Is that 5, 7, or 8? So you can only choose one. You can't use 2 versions at the same time. So I'm surprised it's a yes. It's probably wrong. I'm expecting it's wrong because the website is pretty much messing up. Which function is used to strip? I thought the strip is a function. It's a function, right? Oh, it's trim. Yeah, that threw me off. Sorry. Yeah, trim. Okay. I didn't know. I thought trim is used to like, if you use the function trim, you'll have to add like a text or a string. So like to find which string are you looking for. Okay, so trim. Got it. What is PHP here, doc? Yeah, I was right. Multiple lines. Can echo in PHP accept? Yes. What is the purpose of session? Yeah, just to get the variables, current session. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I believe I am capable of writing codes using PHP. I just lost 5 scores, so I think that's fine. I did well. Yeah, if you want to try this as well, I suggest using a different website because this one is pretty bad, not really good. So yeah, maybe in the next video or in the future video, not next video. In the future video, I'm going to try testing myself again, but this time it's not going to be PHP. It's probably a different programming language, and I'll probably use LinkedIn because I believe there's like a test, some sort of examination thing in there, so we could try that in the future video. But for now, that's the PHP exam quiz, and I believe I did well. 25 out of 30. Not too bad. I believe I get the job. I can work in Google, like bang. Yeah, so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Not really. We're still going to focus on tutorials. So yeah, in the next video, we're going to continue working on tutorials. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.